Hi everybody. Today is Wednesday, November 11th. Now, typically, I don't start out my videos by telling you what day of the month it is because quite frankly, you probably don't care. But I thought it was really appropriate because today in the United States, it's Veterans Day. And I want to talk to you today about VA loans. So stay tuned. Before I start discussing VA loans and some of the most commonly asked questions that I get asked about them, I want to take a second to thank all of the veterans out there and all of the active military currently serving to protect our great country. I know that I could never do what you men and women do, and you have my utmost respect and gratitude. I know that there are numerous family occasions, holidays, birthday parties, sweet 16s that you, ladies and gentlemen, miss because you are laying your lives on the line for us so that we can sleep and feel safe at night. So I do want to take a second to say thank you so much. I can't really express my gratitude, but it is heartfelt. I would like to take this opportunity to ask any of you that serve to please comment below and just tell me about your experience. I would love to hear from you. And again, I'd love to thank you. Without further ado, let's get into today's topic of VA loans. I think obviously the most common question I get asked is, what is a VA loan? A VA loan is a mortgage offered through the Department of Veteran Affairs. They are backed by the federal government, but they are issued through private lenders. So Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and other mortgage brokerage firms. Obviously, you would have to check with those particular lenders to see if they offer a VA loan program. Another question that I get asked very often is, how do I know if I'm eligible? Eligible? How do I know if I'm eligible? Got it. I would say first and foremost, sit down with a reputable mortgage rep and they can go over all the details with you. So I do want to, I don't want to pretend that I'm a mortgage rep. I am not. Talk to a mortgage rep. But let me just give you really quickly an outline. Okay, so if you served 90 consecutive days during wartime, then you are eligible. If you served during peacetime, then you need 181 consecutive days. Two other ways that you can qualify for a VA loan is to have 6 or more years serving in the National Guard or 6 or more years in the reserves. So that's typically the rough guideline for that. And also, there are a lot of times that your family members are also eligible. I am going to leave a link in the description below for a website that you can go to and do some more in-depth research on VA loans. So hopefully that's helpful. Another question is, what are some of the advantages of going with a VA loan? Some of the advantages can be that there is no down payment required. So a lot of times, an FHA loan, minimum down payment is 3.5%. There are certain companies that offer 3% down conventional, but I believe VA is the only product that allows no down payment, no money down. Most of the time when you have a low down payment, whether it's conventional or FHA, you're going to be paying PMI, which is private mortgage insurance. Now with a VA loan, they will usually waive that and you do not have to pay that. A lot of times with a VA loan, you can get a better interest rate. The other thing is that your credit score doesn't typically have to be as high. Another thing that varies quite a bit with a VA loan is your appraisal. It is very similar to an FHA loan appraisal. And if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video so you can check out that video. The major similarities between an FHA appraisal and a VA appraisal are going to be the condition of the property, safety issues. Okay, so if there's chipping paint, that's going to be required to be fixed. If there's unsafe stairways, broken windows, anything that's a safety issue is going to get flagged at a VA appraisal as well. Now let's quickly go over some of the limitations, mostly having to do with the type of property that you want to buy. First of all, no fixer-uppers. That goes hand in hand with the VA appraisal and some of the things that are going to get flagged, which makes it not a great property to try and purchase with a VA loan. The second is no investment properties. So unfortunately, you can't buy that single family house that you wanted to rent out or a multifamily property to use as an investment. The property that you're going to purchase has to be a property that you plan on owner occupying. The other most common that I see is a condo or a townhouse. Now, I'm not saying that you cannot purchase a condo or townhouse with a VA loan, but you have to make sure that the complex that you're purchasing in is VA approved. And most of the time, the best person for that to find out is your mortgage rep. Your lender can tell you whether or not the complex that you're thinking of looking in is VA approved. So I hope all that information was helpful. Please do me a favor today. Please thank a veteran or an active service member, and just let them know that we love them, we support them, and we are grateful for the sacrifices that they are making for this country. So listen, have a great day. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and a like, and I will see you next Wednesday. Take care.